Imagine a world where machines produce content indistinguishable from human-made creations, where creativity meets artificial intelligence. Is this the end of the era for human content creators? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has come a long way since its inception as a mere theoretical concept. It's like a child that's grown up right before our eyes. In the early days, AI was mostly confined to the realm of science fiction, a far-fetched dream that seemed more at home in the pages of a novel than in our everyday lives. But over the years, this dream has steadily transformed into reality. Today, AI is not just a buzzword. It's a widely used technology that's making its presence felt across various industries, reshaping the way we live, work, and play. From healthcare to finance, from transportation to entertainment, AI is leaving its mark everywhere. And now, it's knocking on the doors of content creation. Imagine being able to transform a text into a highly realistic video with a staggering accuracy rate of 99%. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what OpenAI has achieved with its website, Sora. With this tool, AI has entered the realm of content creation in a big way, and it's making waves. The impact of AI on content creation is undeniable. It's like a new dawn, a new era where machines are capable of crafting content that's almost indistinguishable from that produced by humans. Whether it's animation, photography, filmmaking, or video editing, no field is immune to the touch of AI. But as we stand at the cusp of this new era, it's impossible not to wonder about the implications. What does the rise of AI in content creation mean for human creators? Will they be replaced, or will they find new ways to coexist and collaborate with these intelligent machines? As we embrace this new era of AI, it's impossible to ignore the potential it holds. But what does this mean for human content creators? Enter Sora, a groundbreaking website launched by OpenAI, where the boundaries between human and machine creation blur. It's a digital realm where text becomes lifelike video, and the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. Picture this. You've got an idea, a story to tell. So you jot it down, hit enter, and then wait for the magic to happen. Sora takes your words, your thoughts, and transforms them into a highly realistic video. It's as simple as that. This isn't just a case of rudimentary text-to-video conversion. Oh no! Sora goes above and beyond. It has a staggering 99% accuracy rate. That's right, 99%. Almost every single time, what you get is a video that's so real, so lifelike, that you'd be hard-pressed to tell it apart from something a human might create. You might be thinking, well, that's all well and good, but surely there's a difference, right? Surely there's some way to tell that it's machine-made? Well, that's the thing. It's becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish between human and AI-generated content. The line isn't just blurred, it's virtually non-existent. AI advancements have reached a point where the uncanny valley is becoming less of a valley and more of a smooth, seamless plane. It's a place where machines and humans coexist in the realm of creation, and it's a place where Sora is leading the charge. But as with any significant shift, there are concerns, there are questions. There are creators in animation, photography, filmmaking, and video editing who wonder what this means for them, for their craft, for their industry. With Sora, the line between human and machine creation isn't just blurred, it's virtually non-existent. But how are content creators reacting to this seismic shift? And what does this mean for the future of content creation? Well, stick around, folks. We're about to delve into that. As AI continues to evolve, it's inevitable that industries across the board will feel its impact. But for content creators, the implications are particularly profound. Let's dive into the heart of the matter. Imagine you're an animator, painstakingly crafting each frame to create a visually stunning piece of work. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to generate realistic videos, could potentially automate large portions of this process. The concerns are real. Will AI replace the need for human input, or will it become a tool that animators can use to streamline their work and focus more on the creative aspects? Now consider the photographers among us. They're artists, capturing moments in time through their lenses. But with AI's capability to produce high-quality, realistic images from mere text descriptions, what does this mean for the industry? Will AI-generated images flood the market, diminishing the value of human-captured photos? Or could it open new avenues for creativity, allowing photographers to realize visions that were previously impossible? Switch to the filmmakers and video editors. They're storytellers, weaving together visual and auditory elements to create compelling narratives. With AI's ability to transform text into video, it's conceivable that entire films could be produced without a single human behind the camera. This prospect raises questions. Will AI usurp the roles of filmmakers and editors, or could it become a collaborative partner, broadening the scope of what can be achieved in film? And let's not forget the YouTube content creators, the vloggers, and the influencers. They've built communities around their unique voices and perspectives. But as AI-generated content becomes more prevalent and indistinguishable from human-made content, will these creators lose their individuality and relevance? These are the worries, the uncertainties that content creators in various fields are grappling with. But alongside these concerns, there's also a sense of anticipation. The potential for AI to catalyze new forms of creativity and innovation is immense. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the future of content creation remains uncertain. But one thing is clear. AI isn't just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules. So, where does this leave us in the grand scheme of AI and content creation? We've journeyed through the astonishing advancements in artificial intelligence, marveled at the rise of Sora by OpenAI, and contemplated the potential impact on content creators across various industries. The capability of Sora to convert written text into highly realistic videos with a staggering 99% accuracy rate is indeed a game changer. The blurring lines between AI-generated and human-made videos raises valid concerns among creators in animation, photography, filmmaking, and video editing. As these technologies evolve, distinguishing between the two will become increasingly challenging. But let's not forget, folks, that this new era also brings with it a wealth of opportunities. It's a call to adapt and innovate, to find ways to work with AI rather than against it. The future of content creation in the era of AI is an exciting, albeit unpredictable, frontier. But remember, every new technology brings challenges and opportunities. The key is to adapt, innovate, and above all, keep creating.